Welcome to HVAC Official Channel. Today, I'm guiding you through upgrading from an old thermostat to a smart one. First, gather your tools: screwdriver, smartphone, drill, voltage tester, and your new smart thermostat. Step 1. Remove the old thermostat. Gently take off the cover, snap a picture of the wiring, label the wires, and unscrew the base plate. Step 2. Install the new smart thermostat. Attach the base plate, connect the wires, and snap the thermostat onto the base. Step 3. Power on and set up. Turn the power back on, connect to Wi-Fi, download the app, and follow the setup instructions. Enjoy the benefits. Save energy, control remotely, set schedules, and use voice commands. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next HVAC tutorial.